Yeah, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically, I want to be showing you guys how I took this London section trades today, right? So this is our channel. The link will be at the video description, right? So probably this is all I've been teaching. See where it all started. Like I posted 18th of October, as you can see. So I posted today's fundamentals, no high impact news, no major news, right? So I urge them to subscribe to the YouTube channel, which some people did actually. So now I said, guys, get ready. You understand? Risking 15 pips for 30 TP 120, then break even. Risky trade. Note, price can still go high, take out the highs before dropping. But now this was it. This was when I did the analysis. You can see price is not even yet at entry. So I was waiting patiently, right? I was still teaching and explaining. Those in the VIP group, we actually talked about this earlier, right? Then boom, I forwarded the signals from the VIP group to the public channel, right? Risk 1%. I said use proper risk management. Don't risk more than 1% of your account. If we take a loss, we will recover the New York session. Don't just blow off your account in one trade. Many opportunities are in the market. This is how I made my statement. Then I set an alert on TradingView, which TradingView alerted me once price was there. I came, I saw it, right? I actually executed the trades. I said it here. I'm in a sell. I told everyone I'm in a sell. I'm in sell. So this was when I was entering. Remember, I was actually entering when the market. I was selling when the market was trying to go higher. Then when I entered, account was $185 loss. Remember, if you cannot see a loss in your trade, I don't think you're ready for profit. So this is just a process. I told them currently, as you can see, how everything is moving currently. Then it was actually consolidating on the 1 minute time frame, which I didn't like. You can see it here. From the N1 time frame is ranging and I don't like it. So I told them I don't like seeing my, I just love that straight move, but forex doesn't move that way anyway. You just have to be patient, right? So but I will hold and watch. Risk management is with me. That's what I told them. So I'm just reviewing how my channel operates, right? Then this 10 pips in profit. TP2 is 20, remember? So TP2 was around here, somewhere there. 20 pips, that is what we took out. Then this was the account after a few minutes. All this was not actually up to 1 minute anyway. You understand? So this is the trade. You can see my entries, right? You can see my entries. Very, very, very solid on the account. So proceeding further, this is the 1 minute time frame. Actually, you can see my entries, how it's lined up here. So who else loves watching 1 minute time frame without no fears? Because 1 minute time frame is very massive. You once you see those, big up move, you think, yo, it's going for my stop loss. But like, it's 1 minute, so you don't have to fear, right? So that is it. We proceed. So those telling me, okay, probably some guys telling me that they want to see how I trade before they join my VIP group. They want to know if I can actually trade. So this statement was for them. Then I was like, take partial profit, break even. This was 20 pips. I took partial profit of $800. You understand? This account still floating. You can see. Now currently the take profit has been hit anyway. But I didn't hold to my take profit, but I know it will be hit. I just want to. I saw $1K. I'm just happy with it. I decided to leave the market. You understand? So sometimes once you're satisfied, you can go out. Then this is one of my new students. He actually made his own money. So that is just the fact currently. So basically, this is just what I want to show you guys, right? Maybe I'll be doing the teaching. If you want me to teach how I took this trade, what made me to this trade, it's funny, but like there are many things involved anyway. You cannot just wake up to sell. You understand? But I saw many things, which number one is just break of structure. Number two, clearing out Asian highs through that swing. There are many things to look out for, and today is Tuesday. Basically, Tuesday is for retracement, right? Monday was actually extremely bullish. You understand? But you can see Tuesday can see end bullish anyway. But this is London session, and I love trading London session, right? So that is just it for now, guys. Then make sure if you want to join anything, click on the link below. Then if you want to contact me for anything, do well to contact me. You understand? I'll be dropping my information below the YouTube description. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.